If you are still watching the course, it means you are really serious about speaking Spanish. If I am saying correct, then do subscribe the channel. Now, let's get straight back into our next important word. Good. The word for good in Spanish is bueno. Bueno. The word for bad is malo. Malo. Can you say it's good? It's good. Es bueno. Es bueno. Can you say it's bad? It's bad. Es malo. Es malo. Now ask, is it good? Is it good? Es bueno. Es bueno. Now ask, is it bad? Es malo. The word for very in Spanish is muy. Muy. Can you say it's very good? Es muy bueno. Es muy bueno. Can you say it's very bad? It's very bad. Es muy malo. Es muy malo. Can you ask, is it good? Is it good? Again, es bueno. Es bueno. Now say, it's very bad for you. It's very bad for you. Es muy malo para ti. Es muy malo para ti. Now ask, is it good for me? Is it good for me? ¿Es bueno para mí? ¿Es bueno para mí? Now say, it's very good for you. Es muy bueno para ti. Es muy bueno para ti. I hope you understand.